Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you full tutorial about Threads apps. So let's take a look how to do that. We all know Facebook, Instagram, they launched a new application which called is Threads, which is looks like kind of a copy of Twitter. And you might be looking for how to use these Threads apps. In order to do that, obviously you should download these Threads apps in your phone. If you have iPhone, you can go jump over in your app store and you can easily search over here THREADS and you will find here the Threads apps. You can simply download it, or if you have Android, you can go Play Store and search these Threads apps. You will find it. I already downloaded this app, so I'm going to open that Threads apps. Now whenever you're going to open these Threads apps, after you open, you will see a screen appear just like this. Log in with your Instagram apps. So this Threads apps is connected with your Instagram apps. So if you have Instagram, obviously it will be show you here your Instagram username. So you need to obviously also you should have Instagram in your phone. So when you have Instagram and Threads apps, or whenever you open these Threads apps, it's going to be looks like this, and here you can see my Instagram username. So I'm going to click over on it, and then we will see a screen appear just like this. So if you are using your Threads apps for the first time, it will give you option to log in with your personal username and profile. Actually, I already sign up these Threads apps previously, and that's why it's directly take me to my Threads account, which is it's a basic. Whenever you're going to log in, it will ask you to set up your username, like your profile name, bio. You can directly input from your Instagram. So whatever available in your Instagram, everything going to appear in Threads. So this is the interface of your Threads application. Here in the bottom, we will see the home button, search button, and the pen, which is the post button, and then we're going to see the whoever like us, all these details, and the profile button. So if I go jump over in this home button, we will see all the latest threads. If somebody post any threads, we're going to see all of them here, and you can see this is how the Threads home screen going to be looks like this. And if you decide to give somebody love, you can love it, and if you decide to retweet, you can simply type here whatever you want. And also you can do repost and also add the quotes. Also you can click this send button, send on Instagram, add to history, post to feeds, or post to Twitter, or copy link, or send by, etc. And this is how the home screen going to be looks like in this Threads application. And if you have a friends and family, or you know somebody using this username and you want to add them in your Threads account, you can click here this search button, and you can simply type that person name, and it's going to be appear here, and you can simply follow them in Threads. If you decide to post something in your Threads account, you can simply click this pen icon, and then you can simply type here whatever tweets or threads you would like to. For example, hello, welcome to Threads. So I'm going to type here welcome to Threads, and this is my tweets. And if you decide to add any picture, you can click this paper clip, and then you can simply add any picture you want. So if, for example, I would like to say this picture, and we're going to say this is the hello, welcome to Threads, and this is the picture. And if you decide to post, simply post it, and that's going to be post in your Threads. So now if I go in my profile icon, all the threads post going to be looks like this. And from here, if anybody, you can comment it, or you can, if you decide to repost, you can repost it. And also you can see replies and repost section. So also in this section you can directly jump over to your Instagram account by clicking this Instagram icon. And also you can see this is your threads.net, which is your threads username. And if you decide to do some profile setting, you can click this double line, and then you can click here privacy section. If you decide to set some modification in your privacy section, you can do simply from here. Or if you decide to jump over your account section, you can do some additional information. For example, if I click here personal information, it will directly take to me my personal information. So whatever you are going to do some setups, it's actually the beginning time, so it will directly take you to your Instagram profile, and you can edit something from there. So this is all about the threads, and you can simply play over on this new threads application. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.